Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your volume increases or decreases automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to go down and select Sound. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to select the Playback tab if it's not automatically selected. Select your speaker or output device and select the Properties button. Select the Enhancements tab, and you want to make sure Disable All Enhancements is checkmarked here. And then you want to select Apply and OK. You may also want to select the Communications tab, and where it says when Windows detects communications activity, you may want to select Do Nothing, and then select Apply and OK. If you're still having an issue, you'll close out of here, open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Audio Troubleshooter and the Run button. And then again, just follow along with the on-screen prompts here. And then again, just follow along with the prompts here and it'll give you suggestions. It might suggest you go on to the Microsoft support page, but generally that should not be necessary. Pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.